Okay, so what I have decided to do is to take the mouth out. I'm going to cut this out here. Then around the lids here, I'm going to take this lid here off and below here. And same thing on this side to make the eye slots a lot larger. This should modify it to where I can see a lot better. And also breathability. It won't matter around the eyes because when I do the new paint job, you won't be able to tell that this has been changed. So, but yeah, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. So now, as you can see, I took the mouth part out, and I'm going to save this for a different project. I've widened the eyes a bit too, and I'm going to tweak the eyes. Of course, when I paint it up, the new paint job, you're not going to be able to really tell anything really. It'll be entirely different at this point. I also pointed out this little these veins here. I need to really accentuate those too. The veins on the head there, and there's some right over here too. I need to accentuate that too. So in the new paint job, yeah, this is gonna look awesome. So as you can see my mouth, and it's gonna be great. Yeah. So I'm talking about just gonna paint the inside, add some teeth, some gory teeth to it. It's gonna look awesome. Yeah, check that out. And I'm going to trim up, just kind of tweak the eyes around here too. Wow. It's going to look awesome once it's all done. But like I said, just cutting this out alone has really made a big, big difference. Also wanted to show you, I did brush the hair out. Makes a big difference when you brush it out. Get a little hairspray. So it's slowly in the process of getting the hair to look halfway decent. Kind of looks like Jack a little bit from Halloween Horror Nights down in Universal. Yeah. Who knows? Could do something a little bit different like him. They'll look kind of cool. But, yeah. He's getting there. Slowly but surely. And then, of course, the new paint job.